Welcome, everyone, to a world where finance and technology intertwine. This is your go-to hub, your trusted guide, in the realm of financial services. We delve into the intricate web of finance, making it simple, digestible, and accessible for you. So, whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your financial journey, you'll find value here. Remember to show your support by liking, subscribing, and sharing your thoughts in the comments section. Your engagement fuels our commitment to bring you the best content. Today, we demystify the various financial services available. We live in an era where financial options abound, and making an informed decision can often feel like navigating a labyrinth. But fear not, we're here to make that journey less daunting. We start by discussing banking services, the backbone of any financial system. From savings accounts to loans, from credit cards to digital wallets, banks have transformed from physical entities to virtual platforms, making money management a breeze. Next, we move on to investment services. Mutual funds, stocks, bonds, the list is endless. But what do they mean? How do they work? And most importantly, how can they work for you? We break down these complex terms into easily understandable nuggets of information. We then touch upon insurance services. Life, health, motor, home. Insurance is a safety net that everyone needs. But with a myriad of options available, which one is right for you? We help you unravel this mystery. Finally, we explore Fintech Services. In this digital age, financial technology is revolutionizing how we handle our money. From online banking to mobile payments, from robo-advisors to blockchain technology, fintech is the future, and it's here to stay. To summarize, we've journeyed through the diverse landscape of financial services, from traditional banking and investment services to insurance and cutting-edge fintech. We've simplified these concepts, helping you make informed decisions. Remember, knowledge is power, and we're here to empower you. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your engagement is the catalyst that drives us to deliver quality content. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.